Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about a bird that is very shy of water and will only come down to drink for a very short period. The Jerdon's leafbird. The Jerdon's leafbird is a species of leafbird. Its name honors Thomas C. Jerdon. It is found in forest and woodland in India and Sri Lanka. Male has a dark blue throat patch outlined by a thick black border. Female has a pale blue throat with no dark border. This species eats insects, fruit and nectar. Joins mixed species flocks, particularly at flowering and fruiting trees. Jerdon's leafbird is a species of lowland and foothill forests, particularly dry open wooded areas and forest edges. Their calls are like locally named Jerdons Kolarisiya. I have seen the Jerdon's leafbird just a few days ago at Wildgrass Nature Resort in Dambulla. It is a resort located in a thick forest in front of a lake, and the villas are built in the shape of a fish tank where you get to see the complete surrounding from your villa. In fact, it is one of the best resorts in Sri Lanka for bird watching that we have stayed. During our short stay, we have seen 9 new birds that we have not seen before.